Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're setting off on an adventure to a place that's famous worldwide, yet full of surprises, the Great Wall of China. Think of it less as a wall and more as a stone dragon, weaving its way across the rugged mountains of northern China. Let's go beyond the postcard images. We're here to discover the true spirit of this amazing structure. Feel what it's like to stand on layers of history and uncover the special moments it offers every visitor who walks its ancient stones. What's truly amazing about the Great Wall is its powerful, enduring presence. It's a testament to human determination, built over dynasties by millions of hands, from soldiers to common farmers. As you walk its path, you'll see countless watchtowers. Each one is a silent storyteller, serving not just as a lookout where soldiers scan the horizon, but also as a small barracks. Here's a fascinating fact. These towers formed a brilliant communication network. Using smoke signals by day and fire by night, a message could race across hundreds of kilometers in just a few hours. It was the original information superhighway. This ingenuity is part of what makes exploring the wall so rewarding. So, what is it like to visit today? It's an adventure for every type of traveler. You can choose a beautifully restored section or a comfortable scenic hike where you can soak in the grandeur. For those craving more excitement, there are the wild, unrestored parts of the wall. These rugged sections offer a more intimate connection to its ancient past. Whichever path you choose, you'll be treated